Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service Pocatello's Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, November 22nd. This is what you'll see in this presentation. We have a warmer day today than it was over the weekend, mostly due to the lack of the low cloudiness and fog that we had over the weekend. A weak winter storm, though, does arrive on Tuesday morning. First, we'll experience some clouds. There also will be some wind during the day into the evening on Tuesday. Snowfall will start in the Central Idaho Mountains, and then by afternoon it'll spread to the Idaho-Wyoming border region. It'll be mostly 1 to 3 inches during that time period. There's a skiff of snow possible in the northern Snake River Plain as well. Again, it would be under half an inch. Snow continues during the overnight hours. Some of the higher elevations in the Idaho-Wyoming border region will reach 3 to 5 inches, not as mostly the northern half of it, but there will be still some light snow all the way down to the Utah border. We are expecting a quiet Thanksgiving Day, not really much in the way of winds. Temperatures in upper 30s to middle 40s for the populated areas. And then an even weaker storm arrives late Thanksgiving night and lasts into Friday. All right, so there, once again, here's the summary. So really just a slight chance of afternoon snow on Tuesday for the southeast highlands and the Lost River area. Elsewhere, though, chance of snow, some of it just in the afternoon, for instance, for the eastern highlands, and then that does extend. Just a slight chance for Wednesday morning. And then we get a break there on Thanksgiving Day, November 25th. And then you can see the chance of snow returning in the Central Idaho Mountains on, again, that is after midnight, Thursday night. And then a chance of afternoon snow for the eastern highlands and a slight chance in the southern part of that for Friday afternoon. All right, so here's the latest satellite image. You can see that the area, compared to yesterday, the area of low clouds and fog is fairly limited to this area here in Clark County. Otherwise, just some cirrus clouds moving through, ice clouds pretty high up. Not really. Those clear skies really helping to warm temperatures. And the storm that we'll see on Tuesday will be making its way through the Pacific Northwest here on, today, Monday. Here are the temperatures, much warmer than yesterday. Pocatello near 50 degrees, Burley near 50, Idaho Falls in the middle 50s, same with Stanley and Sun Valley. And the overnight lows, with a lot of teens starting to show up here, especially in the northern end of the Snake River Plain. But clouds coming in on the western half means Stanley will actually be warmer. All right, so here's where the snow will be. It's probably a little overdone for our southwest corner of our forecast area. The main focus will be the eastern highlands and the central Idaho mountains. And here you can watch it develop. We'll watch the evolution of this snowstorm. So this is Tuesday morning between 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's when the snow will start, and you see even in the central Idaho mountains less than an inch. By Tuesday afternoon, it's now 1 to 2 inches in that 6-hour period from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and mostly in the mountains and in the higher passes, Galena Summit as well. And then Tuesday evening is to be 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. You can see this focus is starting to shift to our eastern zones, and it is lowering in intensity in the central Idaho mountains. 1 to 2 inches there in Island Park and up in the passes. Same thing over in Driggs and Teton Pass, 2 to 3 inches. And then after 11 p.m. until 5 a.m. Tuesday night, you can see it's considerably less. All right, so the total for Tuesday, Wednesday time period, Island Park, 2 to 3 inches. Stanley, 1 to 2. Most of the really good snow in the central Idaho mountains is east of US 93. But there are some of the higher elevations. Galena Summit is at that 2 to 3 inch snowfall amount, and then Teton Pass 3 to 4 inches. So, and you can see it mostly is affecting areas, say north of Blackfoot in the mountains, but even Idaho Falls, Rexburg, Dubois getting a less than half an inch of snow, and like I said, probably around 2/10 of an inch for Idaho Falls. Also winds. These will help. Anything over 15 miles an hour will help to drift snow and carry it, maybe make some blowing snow. As you can see, though, that's mostly areas that are not getting snow. Same thing Tuesday evening and late Tuesday night after 11 p.m. Winds are still going pretty good. High temperatures on Tuesday. They will be down, 2 to 5 degrees or so, mostly due to the cloud cover. And then the low temperatures Wednesday morning, you can see it's getting substantially colder. Cold air has settled into the central Idaho mountains. And it's starting to get a little bit of penetration here. It continues to spread southward in the Snake River Plain and into the eastern Magic Valley. Here is the outlook for Wednesday. You can see we're looking at mainly dry, just some limited chance of some snow activity in just a sliver of our forecast area. You can see it does not amount to anything because it's just really just slight chance. Temperatures starting to rebound, but still struggling to, they'll rebound on Thursday. You can see how much colder they are. Is as much down, 8 to 12 degrees, and then getting much colder Thursday morning. So Thanksgiving morning, a really cold start for a lot of locations, but warmer than Wednesday with temperatures under the mainly clear skies. Once again, back above 40 degrees for places from Blackfoot to the south and west if you're at lower elevations. And then Friday morning, not quite as cold. And that's mostly because clouds are moving in during the overnight hours Thursday night, helping to keep things warmer. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.